Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data and power, back up to iCloud or Finder and plug in the charger. Once done, disable Face ID and revoke camera permissions to isolate settings. Now perform a soft reset. Press volume up, volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This clears transient errors. It often restores true depth functionality quickly. If it reboots and the camera still misbehaves, move on to targeted diagnostics without skipping the next steps. Next, you verify the software layer. Check Settings General Software Update and install the latest iOS, because many Truedepth fixes arrive with patches. Once updated, reset all settings to return system defaults while keeping your data. This addresses corrupted preferences that block the module. Then re-enable camera and Face ID and run their built-in diagnostics in settings. These tests exercise sensors and report failures. If diagnostics show hardware faults, the steps you just took confirm software elimination before repair. For final remediation, you choose between repair and a full restore. If diagnostics indicate hardware failure, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider. Replace the Truedepth module if needed. If it's still ambiguous, perform a DFU restore from a computer. This wipes firmware and software, so back up first. Make sure to test the camera after each step. If problems persist, try safe mode or a different Apple ID to isolate account or app conflicts. This single tip often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.